Leading up to the 2020 presidential election in the US, Twitter has made changes to the way users can retweet, in effort to stop the spread of fake news on their platform. In this video I'll be showing you how to retweet on Twitter when prompted to quote tweet. Let's get started. With this new change, when you hit the retweet button on someone else's tweet, instead of seeing a menu pop up that asks whether you want to retweet or quote tweet, you'll simply be prompted to quote tweet. This is because Twitter is trying to promote users actually adding something to the topic rather than blindly retweeting information. If you have something to add, you can type in your comment here before retweeting. However, if you leave the text box empty and tweet it as is, it will be posted as a regular retweet. Though this makes the process more complicated, it's still possible to retweet on Twitter without adding your own comment. That's all it takes to retweet on Twitter when prompted to quote tweet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.